Hello and welcome to a new topic, how to write a paragraph. Stage 1, creative thinking. Let's discuss what role does creative thinking play in writing a paragraph. Creative thinking, sometimes we also call it creative technique, the ways and means which you choose to create something, that is called creative technique. We also call it thinking process. What we mean by this is the process of thinking, the process of delving deep into your thoughts to take the jewels out. More technically, it is also known as brainstorm. Brainstorm means that you storm your brain. That is to say, you hit your brain with an idea. You come with a new thought. All these three phrases give you the same meaning of creative thinking. And why is creative thinking important in writing a paragraph? Because please support by joining the channel. Your financial contributions are greatly appreciated and truly support the cause I stand for in promoting self-learning. By becoming a member, you will gain the opportunity to delve deeply into subjects such as linguistics, literature, and other fields of knowledge. Our members-only videos are recrafted to simplify the complex linguistic concepts. Thank you for your support. Now let's discuss the current topic. It helps you generate ideas, create new ideas without being creative. You cannot generate ideas. You cannot come up with new things. The new ideas help us innovate something. They also help us solve problems. And this stage of creative thinking serves as the essential foundation for any form of creative writing. Without adequate reflection, thinking, brainstorming, or idea generation, the writing process will likely be unproductive and ineffective. Writing a paragraph is like designing a house. When you design a house, what do? You think about it. You brainstorm it. What kind of house you would like to make. In the same manner, if you want to write a paragraph, you think about something you would like to focus upon, you would like to reflect upon. You come up with an idea, because without an idea or without generating an idea, how is it possible to write about something? Without being creative, how you can plan to express something in a form of paragraph? So what we come to the point is that the first stage in writing a paragraph is to form an idea about something you are going to write about. And this cannot happen unless you follow the process of thinking. Unless you follow the technique which helps you brainstorm an idea. This is very important. Unfortunately, many of us do not give time to think about what we are going to write. As a result, what happens is that when they take pen to paper, they feel like wandering in the forests of ideas which are not having a clear path. And this leads to an idea. How does creative thinking help in generating a new title, in creating a new topic? There are a number of events happening around us. As a creative writer, you can think about writing a paragraph on any of the events you like most, on any of the situations you are highly impressed by. A title for a paragraph could be anything that happens out of your brainstorming, that occurs out of your process of thinking. It could be topic or title like my favorite game. There could be another topic like a memorable event, importance of exercise, daily routine, climate change, or role of AI, artificial intelligence, and many more. So what I mean to impress upon you is that in writing a paragraph, the first stage is the role of creative thinking in forming an opinion, in forming an idea, in shaping the path of your thought to generate an idea, to create a title, to think about topic, without which you cannot proceed at all. That is the hope you understand the concept. Thank you. Goodbye. In my next lesson, I will talk about second stage of paragraph.